Legend of the Pineapple.
In a faraway land, back in the woods, a widow called Mrs. Apple lived with her daughter Pina. Pina was a very lazy girl that she never wanted to do anything but sit all day. She never picked up anything she drops on the floor or do anything her mother asked her to do. She was so lazy that, as a matter of fact, she never even played with her toys.
One day, Pina's mother was so busy in the kitchen that she asked Pina to get some bell peppers and limes from the garden. Pina went out to the garden in heavy complaining footsteps and frowning. She shouted out to her mother that she can't find any bell peppers or lime. So her mother went to the garden and found Pina standing right in front of the bell pepper plant.
Her mother became so angry and screamed, "I wish you will grow eyes all over your body so that you don't have to move or look around anymore." In that very minute, a bolt of lightning hit the spot where Pina was standing, and instead of Pina, a plant sprouted on the same spot. Days later, a fruit came out in the center of the plant.
The fruit has nodes all around it that looked like closed eyes. Pina's mother wept, but thanked the Lord for giving back to her the daughter she loves so much, even if she is only a plant. In later years, people who saw the plant called it Pina apple. Until some revisions, they came up with the name pineapple. This was how pineapple came to be. Legend of the Pineapple.